In this video, I will show you how to try SDXL Turbo for free. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. SDXL Turbo is a real-time text-to-image model that generates image outputs in a single step while maintaining high image quality. For now, it is behind a subscription on some websites, but there is a website called Comfy UI that is offering it for free. Let's see how to use it. Go to the main UI of Comfy Web using the link in description. The interface is very simple and straightforward, as you can see here. Now, you simply enter a text prompt, define your image, and then finally generate it. It will show you the final image right there. You can simply download your image and keep using this web app in this way. There is no limit. You can write simple and complex text prompts on this website, and it will generate a high-quality image for you every time. This is it. In this way, you can now use SDXL Turbo for free and generate AI images in almost real time. If you found this video helpful, then check out more tech videos on our channel. Thanks for watching.